What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. So I'm going to be showing you RTX Voice in today's video. And what RTX Voice does is it uses AI programming to basically block out noises like that. Like if I drop my phone, you won't even hear that. I can 100% guarantee you're not going to hear that. So there is a little bit of a thing that you should probably know. It's not going to block out voices extremely well, but if the person's like, say you have your room and your bed's back behind you and somebody's sitting on your bed and you're trying to record for whatever reason, they can basically talk and the recording software shouldn't hear them. But there's also like ifs and buts about the software because it's still in beta. You can just go to the link in the description below. If you have a GTX card, this may work for you because it worked for me right away. So I'm not sure if it only works for RTX cards, because in the requirements it says you need an RTX or a Quadro RTX. And as you can see, I don't have an RTX card. I have a GTX 1060, and that's not an RTX card. So I have the 1060. So I don't know why it worked, but it just installed for me. So you're going to go ahead and go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to this website here. You're going to scroll down to the setup guide, and you're just going to click download the app. And it's going to open this, and you're just going to download it. Now, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to let it finish installing. But what you want to do is you want to drag it to your desktop so it's a little easier to set up, or you can just do it from the downloads folder. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to go ahead and go to the setup application, and here is the exe file. As you can see, it is an exe file. It's not a virus or anything. I can guarantee you that. It's from NVIDIA's website. You're going to go ahead and click yes on the user account control, the UAC, also known as. And it's going to pop up with an install window. I actually uninstalled it so I can show you this, guys. I wanted to test it to make sure it worked so I wasn't wasting my time with the video. But honestly, this is a really cool piece of software, and it's going to help me a lot because I have a lot of people who talk in the household. So now you can see it actually worked. So if it shows a little X right here and says your computer is not meeting the requirements, I'm going to show you how to do that towards the end of the video. So if you do want to do that, you can go towards the end of the video to do that. But I'm still going to go through how the software works. So go ahead and click agree and continue. Now it's going to install the voice driver. Now once the software is installed, it's going to pop up on your desktop. So just go ahead and click close. And now it's going to open up the software automatically. Now this is a really cool part. If you have a really professional microphone, this is going to work a lot better for you. I'm using a microphone for my headset, and it's just a regular MSI headset. And if you want to buy this headset, it'll be in the description below because the microphone actually doesn't sound that bad. So as you can see, it says microphone, USB audio device. So you want to click the microphone you have. You can also do default if you don't have that many audio devices. But you also want the output device, and just do speakers, USB audio device. So it's basically going to be whatever. So if you're using a headset, you want to click the microphone portion of the headset, and then you want to click the speakers portion of the headset. Now you could do it to your speakers, but then you'd hear yourself, and that would get annoying. So you want to click remove background noise from this microphone, and just crank it up. I mean, if you want to sit here and mess with the settings, you can, because you'll still be able to hear it. I'm not going to go through that because a lot of other YouTubers did already. So now what you want to do is I'm going to bring OBS over here for you. So, sorry about the window effect. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the microphone and auxiliary area. Sorry. You're going to click on the little gear and click Properties. Now you're going to go ahead and go to NVIDIA RTX Voice. Now it's going to change. Now I shouldn't sound too different, and it should actually heighten how I sound. So I'm actually going to bring this back, but not as big so it doesn't do that thing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and... Did you hear that? You shouldn't have heard that. So I'm going to be quiet. You can probably hear me breathing. You're not going to hear... I'm smashing my phone on my desk, and it's not doing anything. Here, I'll actually record, and I'll add this part of the video on my phone to it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using RTX Voice. This video is going to be up here in the corner, just so you guys can see it. So I'm going to take my mouse and just hit it. You can see that the microphone is not moving at all when I hit the camera. So let me do that again. The only thing you're going to hear is me breathing. That's all you're going to hear. So the reason this is a good software is because when you use it and somebody's talking in the background, you're probably not going to hear them. Only depending on if... I guess it depends on how well it works, because this is still in beta, so obviously it's going to have updates and stuff. But honestly, I think this software is going to help a lot of YouTubers, a lot of streamers, a lot of people who record in a big environment. Say you're at a LAN party and you want to stream your gaming content, but you don't want to hear the other people in the background or the noises in the background. Or say you're at a coffee shop and you're trying to talk to somebody on Discord, Skype. You can use this on Skype. You can use it on Discord. You can use it on a various social platforms. I'm pretty sure you could probably use it for a phone number for Windows, so you could have a private call without other people talking in the background. Obviously, it's not going to work 100% because it's still in beta, but I just wanted to showcase this software because it's a really cool piece of software. I'm actually going to post this video on Twitter because I want people to see it, and I want people to realize that this software is out there and available for streamers and recorders. I'm actually going to record a video with it, and we're going to test it, and I'm going to do a little showcase in the video for my gaming channel, and I'm going to put the link in the description to this video in there. I just have to edit this video and stuff first. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. I will see y'all in the next video, and peace out.